4 plus 2 gives us 6. Now here multiplications are times and 4 divided 2 gives us 2. The final answer is 6 times 2, 12. But this is not right answer, because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplications and division have a equal priority and work from left to right, same like addition and subtraction, left to right. So in this expression, one is addition and parenthesis and another is division, same like times multiplication. So first we do parenthesis, then inside the parenthesis division, after that multiplication, and the last addition. So 4 plus 2, inside the parenthesis 4 divided 2 gives us 2. Now 4 plus 2 times 2. Here this is a multiplication. 4 plus 2 times 4 is whole 4. Finally the answer is 8. This is a right answer.